Now, well done, my people. Now, me, Mirideva. I don't still come, I come follow na talk. I don't still come, I come follow na talk some issues. Maybe say, it really they happen. It they happen, you know. Sometimes, you see, if I dey talk, say, our girls that they made mistake, it will be like, say, me will be gay. Maybe me too, maybe I know they made mistake, or maybe some people they resist somehow just because of, say, some people they don't want to understand because they refuse to understand. Make I just talk like that. Okay. Wetin make me dey talk about when I want to talk about this issue now? Imagine our Europe celebrities, Nigerians, where they stay Europe, we say they be musician, they be artists. You can just imagine how many. Just tell me in a month, how many program you go fit do, or how many live on stage you go fit do. We go give you big money where you go take build hotel. Get like 4 houses. No, nothing like that. Now Europe, now all of us dey. And most people we go even come the show that they work. And if they won't even come, maybe if it is Saturday, most people they work on Saturday. Maybe Saturday, or you put on maybe just say fine Saturday. And how many people want come the show? We go that show you go do one. Maybe we get 12 months in a year. Does it mean say that 12 months in a year, now you take to do your program every month? One side. Now, our girls, the foolish ones, we don't refuse to get sense. Una want follow guys we don't make name. Because una here say they be celebrity. Una want follow them. Now na money they want to. Wait una know the reason. You want go they pack money they put for hole. Where you be say, hole will not go benefit you. You want me say that musician never get one person for one corner where you won't marry. Then you come say now you won't marry. See, I beg, if una know say una parents they never eat, una know say una parents they know they fine. Una know say una parents they never achieve anything. I beg more na they do for una parents. All these Nigerian celebrities will get for abroad. They go only just they use una. They go all these babalawo place, they mark something for their mouth, till they collect una money. You understand? Because I know say many of our guests don't want you see here Nigerian celebrities and they don't follow them. Because not what if they picture I don't understand. I beg Nigerian girls, I beg make una open una eye. I beg. Not be the first time we be say celebrities they abroad. Waiting. Celebrities one they follow now, no waiting they don't achieve. They get hotels, they get houses. You where they follow the waiting you don't get. Nothing. Your brothers need those help. Where be say una they give all these people. Your family they need help. So why be say una they carry this una money they give man we sit there you say now which they sing, which music they sing. If any Nigerian celebrity will not say yes, he won't make money, then let him go back to Nigeria. If you reach Nigeria, if you really want to make money, from there you go make your money. But say you did this Europe, no Nigeria musician or Nigerian artist where they Europe, we go feel make money like Nigerian artists where they for Nigeria. I know what they talk. Because they get shows, they give them pay them better money. But the moment they here, all the money where they take they build all those houses and everything they get. Now woman money now they take the one. Now they collect woman money take the one. Now they promise this one, promise this one, promise this one, promise I will marry you, I'll do this, I'll do. At the end of the day, you people are collecting their money. Now they go see some of them. The one we go give them 5,000 euro. Now they appreciate. The one they go give them 1,000 euro, they go use on stone and back. Say they don't want that kind of money. See, I know a lot of their stories, and I know it's how they talk about. Just they advise our girls. I know some are not they learn. I don't know one for they see the money one they give them. Where it be say una family never ever day okay, but una one made the boyfriend one the friend. Una one made their day okay. Una one made their day okay. They build houses upon houses. They build houses they put for rent. They achieve a lot of things. You where they bring out the money, what do you have? You have nothing to achieve. You have nothing to gain. At the end of the day, you only born one picking. You born this one upon this one upon this one upon this one upon the other one upon. Nothing. Una know they get sense. And I don't know when most Nigerian girls where they follow these artists. I don't know when they wanna go get sense. How many of their properties that they write on their name? How many? Say I use your name buy this land, I use your name build this hotel, I use your name buy this house. Nothing. Why be say most Nigerian girls una they like, especially the one in the Europe, una they like to marry, una like to find all these young guys maybe say don't make name because they hear their name. You just feel say if you want to become a celebrity, it's very easy. If you don't know the way, more they find people who go they teach you na the way. But see, man, we don't they find money. Most of all these artists, if you live in Madrid, you see most of them, the way they live their lives. They don't even have house. Some of them, they rent one room. They rent one room. If you don't see them for video, they become something else. Now they look they're very big or whatever. No, it's not like that. Most of them, they live in one room. And it's truth. They cover up all the packaging as they talk. They package themselves. But you, as a girl, the truth is, not the truth, but una still want enter the hole. No, just one pack on yourself enter inside. No, if you really get this money and you be care, make something for yourself. Plan for your life. See, people where they get a lot of business, now small money they take start on. But the more you they give this celebrity we saying and all these men where they say they be Nigeria artists in Europe, not just they spoil na money. Carol and go they give native doctor, now they supply them the money. I don't know when I for they get them, but now they supply them the money. It not concern me when I forget them. But my advice to now say Mona open na eye way. Open your eyes. Mona know they forfeiting. Because most of them not be victim. No way to now they do not just they foolish. Maybe when they see the money SS, no know the whole want to do some of them they do competition. Now my money na big pass. You go no say na my own, na me give them a big money pass. What is that? Nonsense. If you get paper, you invite your mama come Europe, make go enjoy 3 months for Europe, not be good thing. And you get the document and you know say you go fit that money, you use and help one person for your family. See, this money where we they talk about, person know they get them forever. Person know they get them forever. Girls, muna open una brain way and una ear. This money when you touch it a little, it will go. Mostly if you don't use it well. Now make most of our advanced women, advanced men here. Most of them don't want to go to Nigeria because the money not there with them again. Nobody that will give them the money. Before girls they pay them the money, but now nobody they give them the money. So now we come they manage themselves, they don't follow celebrity. When I walk, they one place they find money for how many years. Now men when I go they give them the money. Mona beware of herself. Mona know what they do. Mona they take care of herself. Mona know they believe the words where all those men they talk because all those Nigerian artists, when I say they be Nigerian artists, they don't even love una single like this. They just take una as their machine where they tap money from. Give me 2,000 euro, give me 3,000 euro, or you know go come house. Then there's una continue to find the money. If I don't see the money before now come house, I can't see my boyfriend. What nonsense! That will not be boyfriend. It take you as in printing machine. Because you know say you know how you take they get the money. So now you be printing machine. You go the gauge, you go the dress, you go there one place for how many months they find money. So far you want me your boyfriend I did good for head. What of you? As you come out, Caro go come, Suzy go come, Messi go come, another one go come. May one of they don't follow they say they be artists. Mona go see mansion they built for Nigeria. Mona go see the kind house where they get. Even the ties where they get for their house, una not get them for our own house. Una only build 2 flats, una live and they put our family there. Man, one they don't follow, they build mansion. Build down, use Versace ties for the up, Versace ceiling and the ground. Now not they get sense. So my dear, I just want to give una this advice. More na know what una they do. Now that one I always they tell. Not the last talk why they always they talk. Anytime I want to come out for life. Mona know what una they do. All those guys una they follow. Mona do away with them. Because if una make una say printing machine for them, that is what they will continue to call you guys, printing machine. Once men don't sit down together like this, say, hey, what are your printing machine? Go say they wait for the find the money. Girls, open your eyes. Watch It Butter TV.